Good morning. Hi ba? Good morning ba? Ba?
Afternoon, ma'am.
Oh, afternoon. Yeah, afternoon oh. Alas 12 na. Tagal mong, ano ba, nag-wake up. Have their goggles here. Because we're going to have swimming. Kanay mong goggles? Dili, unsa day ni? Di ni mao? Kaate ni. So, I already done taking a shower. Nag-shower ako. Maliligo kami ng pool. Pero, shower ako kasi we are going to buy food to bring para sa pool. Because today is my ding 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 ding. Unsa ron ba? What is today? What is today? Tagal niya ha. Ano ba? Busy kasi Miguel nag-eat. So, Miguel, it's already 12 but we will be leaving mga 3 p.m. guys. And look at my forehead. It is so gross. Hindi niyo nakakita kasi I was using BB cream. Yan. Mas malala dito sa ano, between my eyebrows. And yan lang, 'di ba? If I am going to be putting the camera away, ganyan oh. Kita, I have a power here. I have a power. So yan, today I am using the Caroline lip and cheek tint, and for the lips I was trying the KJM one, but I don't know, I really don't like this one. I don't know why. It looks so weird on me. But yun lang guys, and yun, we will be leaving for 3 p.m. to go swimming, and for now, nakain muna kami. Yeah, me, I'm going to eat breakfast because I haven't eaten breakfast, although it's already 12 noon. But yeah, we always eat late here. And yun, so I'm gonna update you later guys. Okay, bye! So, we are just going to buy barbecue and maybe soft drinks and ice and other stuff na makakain. Then, ikaw ba, maligo ka na, okay? Get ready, all your things, ha? Oh, somebody's crying over there. So, yan. I think my bag is in here. Meron na naman kay Rocky, yung mga towels and stuff. And, yeah. It's summertime. So, I am just getting you know, the sabon, shampoo done, and I have it here on this bag. And I think we have to go na to buy food kasi we are going to leave mga 3 p.m. Yun. Parang ano guys, nagtatampo si Maui kasi when I went outside, he was not, ano tawag yan? Hindi niya ako pinansin, so I'm giving him some t-shirt kasi I promised Maui na I will give him t-shirt kasi yung mga t-shirt na yung hihigaan niya, I throw it away already because one time nagpupo siya tapos nalagyan ng pupo, so I need to throw that one. So I'm giving him another t-shirt to lie on kasi wala nang naiwan, and that one there is crying, so I'm just gonna give him this t-shirt. There's Maui, t-shirt ni. T-shirt ni Awi, oh. Oh, naman na siya kung Awi lang ga. Uy. Inside your house na. Bye-bye sa ha. We're gonna buy barbecue sa Awi ha. Good boy. Good boy. Friend, so we're on our way to buy barbecue. Hi. Wala siya ligo. Hindi siya maliligo kasi daw maliligo naman daw siya, no? Diba? Oh, maligo pa daw siya.
Ato na sa pool.
Ha? Okay, oh. Yeah, but hindi ko kaya. I need to take a shower kasi I feel lazy if I don't take a shower. What? Palto? What are you talking about? My hair is so flat. See guys, if I don't curl my hair, it is so flat. Grabe. So, ang init today, guys. I don't know how many degrees, pero ang init. It's already July. Sometimes it is kinda gloomy.
Pero okay na. Okay lang kaysa summer.
Ha?
Okay lang kaysa summer. Mas grabe yung summer.
Okay
mga
lang daw.
April,
mga how
pero
many
sa Japan
degrees?
ngayon, pumalo ng 46.
Why are you talking so weird?
Yeah, man.
You don't know how to speak Tagalog? Tagalog pala ka.
Nagalig pala ka, ha? Ito, ha?
Yeah, so we are just going to buy some food para, you know, for later sa because we're going to paulit-ulit, we're going to go swimming. And I don't know if we're going to buy puso kasi magluluag na lang o magluluto na lang kami ng kanin and then we'll just buy maybe pizza because we cannot bring cake kasi matutunaw. Oh, dyan sa Inayawan. And some soft drinks, no? And ice. Yun lang. And we'll just bring water. Buy tag water? Do we have water container dito? I know, but yun. Let's see, ang init, grabe. Kakaligo ko lang. Traffic starts. Weird, I need to rigi ka nang dito noon.
Mugan ni.
Dira na nga gi.
Kaya gikan na sa kanang Cabreros.
Then kami, yung mula doon, nandun sila sa right side, and kami nasa left side. Oh my God, when is this Calvary gonna start?
Naatay si Tom Deriosa.
Yeah, oh my God. I think 2022, man? 20.
Kani?
Oh,
Long.
yeah.
20 siguro.
Sana. 2 years pa more. Oh my God. Napag-antos. Grabe. Can't take this, diba? Oh. Under construction dyan kasi may ano dyan, tunnel daw for the, I don't know, sinong dadaan dyan sa tunnel. Here sa seaside, but we are done na, guys. We're in a hurry because it's almost 3 o'clock na. So we're just ready. Oh my gosh, guys, hindi pa rin kami nakauwi. It's already 3 and we just stopped by to buy dyan lechon manok. So we'll be bringing lechon manok, pizza, and barbecue. Yeah, yun lang. Kasi konti lang din naman kami. So, nandun si Ruki, bumibili ng dyan sa Balamban Liampo na chicken. Medyo malapit lang to sa amin. Kaya we're on our way and hopefully by 4 o'clock makaalis na kami. Kasi okay na naman, hindi naman, I think it's not traffic today. Yeah, it's Tuesday, but I don't know. So if we could go by 4 o'clock kasi 6 p.m. pa yung night, mag-start yung night swimming. So I think it's okay. We have 2 hours to travel. Parang ang layo, no? But since it is so traffic, guys, you need to be like to leave early and then yeah, 6 hanggang 11 p.m. yung night swimming. So sana ready na sila mother doon sa bahay, yung sa mga paper plates and stuff para dire-diretso na. Ate, are you ready?
Ew!
She's ready. Oh, okay naman yan eh. Ba, are you ready?
De.
Bilin ka, kuyo kanila.
Lol.
Si Anman, ready na. We are ready. Yan yung dadalhin namin. Yung foodie ni Miguel, hindi na inubos. Mamaya na lang. Ayan. So, nandun na sa labas si Miguel. Anak lang mo. Miguel, we ha? Good boy mo ha? Good boy mo do ha?
Ano yung magsulog?
Oh,
Ano naman?
kanina lang.
Ano naman to?
So we're going na, guys. My God. Good boy na mo. So we're leaving the dogs, the 2 dogs outside, and the other one is like, I don't know, wants to come with us. Be a good boy. Look at Miguel. Pag play pero ano, hindi kasi sila mag-abot na sila Huy!
Maabot na siya.
Yeah, lips to lips. We will be home by I don't know what time, maybe 10 p.m. Uwi na kami. So it's already 4 and we are leaving kasi at least para hindi kami ma-traffic. Yan, so let's go na. Who will close this one? Me? Ako yung magsusarado there. Hi, Awi! Bye! So, Sashi and Baba so excited kasi this is the first time na magsiswimming kami this summer, guys. We did not have the chance na mag-swimming last summer kasi ayaw nila kasi masyadong mainit daw. So, ngayon na kami mag-swimming and walang masyadong tao. So, mas okay yon, di ba? Yung wala masyadong tao kasi I don't like it to be crowded too. So, yeah. We're here na. Hi. Tanaoy, magpasok na tayo. Wala pa si Manis. You see me at my back. Daplin kay may kuan. Sakyanan. So, we're just standing here. Wow, nice outfit, ate. So excited ba? Pero I feel sleepy. Kasi it's so gloomy. I think it's gonna rain, no? I think it's gonna rain ba? Ay ba? Excited na ka ba?
Hindi.
We, maniwala ako sa iyo ba? Daplin dali. So, we'll just go to the lobby and buy some tickets and para makapag-swimming na kami, guys. Dali na, hala, wala na lagi dira.
Layo na kayo ka.
Ha? Oh? Moto dito. Asa man day katuwa manggudilahan ko dito.
Ano ka dito?
Pareha mang gihapon. We're here na. Nandyan si ate, nandyan si baba, nandyan si Anma, si Lolo. Wala si Anin. Work kasi si Anin. Tapos yung isang pool dyan,
Nabuwan.
Ay, may
I
uwan.
think it's under renovation, guys.
Nabuwan, manghud.
Some kind of. So, dito lang kami sa sa small cottage. Yan. Paglinis na mo. Sige na. Ate is ready. Ikaw na lang. Mag-rush guard mo ka, diba? It's raining. It smells so good ang rain. Oh, na dito. Where? Diri naman sa CR diri na lang.
Pinaka-close ka. Lugay.
Do close man sad na diha di ay.
Pinaka-close hindi. Pinaka-close man.
Ayan, ginagawa yung pool diyan. Unsa ba? Hala, uy, it's raining. Nindot ta ani nga kanang kuan kanang dugan na. When you swim ba ganyan kay ba kay nagkuan, nag-rain.
Now, di.
Oh, baho nga kanang kuan. Well, wala ka nang magagawa. Where is the CR? Nasa CR na sila. Mag-change na. Wala na maguna ko. Nandito maguna ko. I was thinking daw kung may video. I told them guys na video ko kamo. That's so stupid of me. Ma-expose mo. Kaod sila para kuan. Ready sila. Luoda.
Why na hoga?
I think dagat to.
Ha?
Huh?
Grabe.
Pool, I think dagat to. What? Dagat.
I ambot at to sa pool niya. I think dagat to. I'm gonna change into swimwear. Dali na lang. Oh. Diba? O, pangihi dali. Dali. Ngayon CR. Hey, grabe. It's raining. But it's fine. Kasi we don't want it to be sunny. Ganda doon. You gonna slide there ba?
Yes.
Feeler kay ka ba?
Kanaka ko mo ito sa pinaka.
Ay, dana, oy. Ka-excited na si... Ako pa ni kuan. I'm on my rush guard na, guys. Dili pa na ako sa kuan. Dito, akong sanina.
Bye-bye.
Uy, dili mo adto. Dili mo madto nga kamura. No, you're not allowed. Abunay. Dali, balik sa ta. Dali na. Ner.
Ako na lang butang, di.
Makumot na niya. Nagkaon niya. Hinay baba. Makuan ka. My God. So, mainit this one. Ay. Later, mabubura na tong eyebrows ko. Wala, meron na gayon. Nabura na. Pagka swimming na ako, wala na tong eyebrows na ako. My God. Diba, te? I'm so beautiful. Lord. Filler siya ay. Oh, what? Uy, where's the salbabida? Huwag katungkuan. Balik ka. Balik ka, balik ka, balik ka, balik ka.
Ano lang, oy.
Ha? Dali, dumoy pa kayo. Hurry up.
Ang di na good. Nakukuha siya ako. Kapag.
Really? Unsa day color siya mong goggles?
Blue.
What?
Tambubuya ko.
Unsa?
I think dejavu.
Dejavu. Why did you dejavu?
Ano ni stop ko. And then like nito yung kunin mo niya. Ni ano kunin mo niya. Nag-vlog ka. Dejavu.
That was my last vlog from Dakuan. Dito ra. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Sige na.
Dere.
Oh, dira. Bilin dira a slipper. Pwede man gud dira.
Ay.
Dira ra bilin diha. Diri ra. Oh, diha.
Asap.
Diha. Dito de pwede mag slipper.
Pwede man.
Dili oh, white pavement. Where's the pavement?
Oh.
Yeah, there's Ate. Hi ba?
Kapag na.
Ha?
Kapag na.
Filler. Filler.
Nagpalit ako ka ng kuan anak mama.
What?
Masud ko ha. Masud ko.
Oh, pero ha?
Waterproof.
Ay, iranay. Daijobu. I don't need it ba? Splash ba? Wow. The water is so cold. Grabe.
Masud ko ha.
O sige, jump na. Jump! Hi, ate. Hi, ate. Popular kay sa ate.
What's a mermaid ka?
Are you a mermaid but you have salbabida?
No.
Wait, later, mainit ra na. You will feel it later. Lolo. Ka-sexy ni Lolo, oy. Bugnaw kayong tubig. Sige na. Guys, so it's really raining, grabe. But my God, I'm scared to go to the water kasi matatanggal na yung kilay ko, guys. Bati sad kayo. Maanad ramang ka diri sa kuan sa kanang bugnaw. I'm so scared. Beare be.
Nalipong ko.
Oh. Ibutang lang diri oh, dumduma lang. Butang dira ba? Oh. So, oh my gosh, it's really raining. What a summer. Summer na summer, guys. Summer pa din. But if we prefer ganitong weather na magsi-swimming kaysa yung mainit na mainit. Grabe, oh. Kutob dito.
Mato sa slide.
No. Oh. Topa kay dito katundako kayo nga pool nila.
Sunbathing ko.
Will I swim or will not? What about my kilay? So, I was talking to the camera and I did not notice na wala pala, hindi ko pala na-press ang play. Oh my God, so stupid of me. So, I wanted... Ha? Magda ka? Gusto ka? Kwaon ako. Nya mabasa sa uwan. Okay, kwaon ako. I'm gonna get father's towel kasi he feels... Ha? Oh, he feels cold daw. He wants his towel near. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Konti lang pala yung tao, guys, kasi you know, it's already July. It's not summer already. Summer just ended and muulan pa, but this is yeah, obviously walang tao, but this is the type of, you know, that we want kasi ano, it's not crowded. So I'm just going to get father's towel kasi he's feeling cold. And then dyan under renovation yung kids pool.
Diyan ma.
Hi.
Tingnan ma. Hi ba?
Hi.
Hi Ache.
Hi.
Sino is Ache?
What's that? Hindi ko kaya, guys. It is so cold. And I'm worried about my eyebrows. Kasi if I'm going to dip into the water, mawawala na yung eyebrows ko. Oh my God. Yeah. But, I know, we'll go to jacuzzi para medyo hindi malamig. Kasi ang lamig-lamig talaga. Grabe. So, I have my floaty on. And then sila nandun. Swimming in the very, very cold water. Going to the jungle. So beautiful there. Such a nice time. What are you gonna do ba? Huh? We're getting inside! Uy! There's the big slide. There's the jacuzzi there. And we need to shower. So there's the shower here. Baba's going to shower because she wants to read it. Sige na. Hurry up ba? Grabe. I can't take it. It's so cold.
Mag-recorded ka?
Okay, I'm not gonna record. It's already night. You barely see me. I'm gonna check their other pool, guys. Kasi nandoon. Yung parang may dragon something. Yan. There's the playground. Yan. We have a playground. There is their other pool. Wow. But, there's cottages here. I think sarado yung ano nila doon. Tables doon. But I haven't swim in this pool. Medyo ano lang siya. Hindi siya malalim. Yan. Barely you can see. Wow. Ang ganda ng sky. So yan yung castle. I don't know if you remember but nandyan din sila Sashi dati. Napapicture sila dyan. And I'm gonna turn. Wow. We're back. Barely you can see me. This is gonna be a what do you call that? Crappy video quality kasi ano na madilim na. Yeah. I'm not yet swimming still kasi it's so cold. And I'm back here. Hoy, turn on the lights, oy. Lagi mo nag-light. Weirdos. Oh gosh. Gabi na. We're done. And I don't have baby cream or powder or anything. But look at my fish. Wow. I think we're going home now. We're home. We're home, guys. Kapuya. We got home like around 10 p.m. No? 10? 9:30 ta. Nilayas. Lumayas kami. 9:30. Diba? 10 na? Oh. Yeah. Oh gosh. I think some of my pimples died in the chlorine water. Oh, I'm so tired na, ewan. I don't know. I feel so. But I wanna drink coffee kasi I cannot sleep kasi I'm too tired. Yeah. Weird, right? Ingon si Baba, huh? Yeah. Comment below, guys, who experience yung you feel so tired but you cannot sleep. Kung sa tawag sa kuan sa Bisaya, gagusa ba? Kung sa tawag anong tawag nga sa Tagalog? Nagusa, just like a baby when, you know, can't sleep and then always crying. That's how I feel right now. And the dogs, I was so worried with the dogs, but the dogs were fine. But they were too excited. They were so excited to see us when we get home. And Miguel, oh my God, Miguel always have an accident. Pag-touch, nakapipi si Miguel. Miguel was so excited to go home sa yung house. Tara ay. Na, when Rookie told him na, go home right away. Yan, so, good night na, guys. I wanted to take a rest na. Kapuya, ay grabe. I don't remember. Maybe last summer pa yung last time na nag-swimming kami, kaya I was so tired. So, good night, guys. I hope you had a wonderful and a great day today, like us. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on our next video. Bye!